So the wig that I'm currently wearing is from Trendywigs.com. Don't forget to use code DEVINCI30 for 30% off of your total. The style Blossom, it actually came short, but I cut it. You're gonna see in the video how I did this. Yeah, it was super easy. I love this carefree curl. Like, I literally don't have to do nothing. I currently have it to the side. I could just, you know, hold on, let me get my part back to the middle. I could wear it to the middle, like, what's up? Could, you know, go on ahead, throw it to that other side, which is a full vibe. Tuck it behind my ear because this is my hair. Then I could literally go. But yeah, I actually really love this wig. I love Trendy wigs. I probably have 4 Trendywigs wigs so far, and I'm like literally obsessed with the hairline. I don't normally pluck the hairline. If you checked out my other synthetic lace front wig, Hairline Slay, I absolutely did not pluck that hairline, and it looked like it was growing out of my scalp. So I mean, this time I actually plucked the hairline. So either way works. So if you're like really not into plucking the hairline, you literally don't have to. But yeah, other than that, it's fire.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say.
Okay, so far I have plucked this side of the hairline. You guys can see that this side is not plucked. Even though I don't never pluck my synthetic lace front wigs, so you guys can see the difference. This side is plucked, this side is not plucked. I'm not gonna even tweeze it a lot. I'm gonna just take my tweezers and just begin randomly pulling out hairs. So here's the side that we've plucked so far, and then you guys can see the side that's not plucked. Yeah.
She going to the club, she ready to do her dance, and when she bust a move, them other girls don't stand a chance.
So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.